Good morning. Our today's topic is poster making and subtopic is Save the Tiger. The material required for the drawing: pencil, eraser, long scale, poster colors, brushes, palette, black macro tip pen, 1/4 side drawing paper or a drawing book. Now before we start the drawing, first we are going to draw 1 centimeter border line to a page, write down the heading, and on the left hand corner write down today's date. Now let's start the drawing. First we are going to draw 20 centimeter by 25 centimeter rectangle. For that, from the lower border line we are going to take 3 centimeter distance two dots, and then join with the slipping line. Then take a 5 centimeter distance from the left hand side border line, and both the dots we are going to join. Now on a lower lines and on the left hand side line we got one meeting point. From that meeting point take 20 centimeter distance on the left hand side part, and on the lower part take 25 centimeter distance. Now again from the left hand side line take 25 centimeter distance. Now both the dots we are going to join together to get right hand side part. Now on the right hand side part, again from the lower part take 20 centimeter distance. Now both the dots from the left hand side and right hand side part join together to get upper part. Now this is our 20 centimeter height and 25 centimeter length rectangle. Now erase all unnecessary lines and darken this rectangle with the 2B pencil. We are making poster here. But what is poster or a poster design? A poster is a temporary promotion of an idea, product, or event put up in a public space for mass consumption. This is a kind of advertising for spreading awareness about any topic or product like Save Tiger. That's why we're making poster here. This is our rectangle. Now we are draw here poster related drawing and heading. Now we start making animated tiger figure and heading here on upper side. For drawing we are using 2B pencil. The drawing should be light and neat, clean. But because I am going to show you a demo here, that's why I am draw dark here so that you can see easily and clearly. When you start a new drawing, you must draw a rapid figure of any drawing to arrange a drawing on a paper. This is must for every drawing, because if you directly draw on a paper, it might be not arranged on the paper, and you again and again erase your drawing, and because of that your paper get messy. So first you have to draw a rough sketch on a drawing, roughly rapid sketch to arrange a drawing on a paper, and then get finalized with the 2B pencil. When we draw an animated figure, we are showing the features of that object or the animal so that it's look like that object. Now here we are going to show a beard for this tiger. Now tiger has a small beard here, and we are going to show you here with the liquid line. These are the features of the tigers. Now we are going to draw a body here. Now here the tiger is sitting, so the exact position of the tiger, how they sit in a manner that both our hands are folded on each other, and legs also folded like that. The patches on the bodies are pointed on the end. Both the ends are pointed. And sometimes it's small, sometimes it's big, and slightly wavy also. All the patches are different in size, different in shapes, directions. That's why it look good. How the bodies fold in such a way, the patches also fold to the rounded tip. Now we are going to draw a tail here. Now this is animated figure, so the tail also we are going to draw slightly decorative. These are the patches on the tail. Now I think we are going to complete our tiger. Now draw a land on which tiger is sitting and some grass to show some jungle scenario. Now we are going to draw a heading here. For that, from the upper line, take 1 centimeter distance and draw one slipping line. And from this first line, take 4 centimeter distance to draw one more line. Now this is margin for our heading. In between these two lines, we draw a heading. Now roughly we have to first arrange this sentence, save the tiger. Lightly and roughly we have to arrange it first. Now I think it's arranged properly. Now we are going to darken with the 2B pencil and give some boldness to our sentence, save the tiger. Now this is the one type of font we can use. You can use your own fonts also for this sentence, save the tiger. The distance between all the words and in between the sentence all are the same, so that look nice. Now erase unnecessary lines from the drawing and then trace this drawing with a black micro tape pen. Now I'm using black micro tape pen to trace this drawing. Now this is a tracing of the drawing. Now we are going to fill up these patches with the black micro tape pen. You can use poster colors to fill up these patches, or you can use any other techniques also for these patches. I am using a micro tape pen for basic purpose. Now in future we learn many other different types of posters also. This is the basic type of poster for the children's, but for the advanced posters we use uh, school events topic like school sports events, or for our school magazine we can make posters, or we can design a newspaper and publish this newspaper through the posters. Like that we use different big topics also, and you can use different color schemes or color types also here for the poster design. We are using poster colors here, but you can use acrylics, inks, or oil pastels, sketch pens, black microtape pens. Only black and white posters are also there. So for the basic learning, this is a simple poster. You can add some slogan also in the posters, or write down small paragraph also in a poster to know the topic very well. Now I think we are completed all the patches. Now the end of this tail also we are going to fill up with the black so that it look nice. And after completing this black microtape work, we start with the coloring. Here we use poster colors. You can use watercolors also, or wax crayons, oil pastels, sketch pens also. Now this black microtape pen is water soluble, so you can overlap it color easily here. The eyes also we are filled up with the black microtape pen. So all black color work we make with the black microtape pen. Now this background we color with the light blue color. First we use a transparent color. Either you can fill up a color transparent or directly thick, but I prefer here to fill up transparent color so the you can show a transparency of the sky. Like that you can fill up a light blue color, or you can overlap it all the words with this color, because this black microtape pen is water soluble, so don't worry about that. This is the one way, or you can overlap it with the colors. This is the way. Now this land we fill up with the green color, and the skin of the tiger with the yellow color, like that. Now we start with the skin, and we already done a land with the green color, same transparent techniques. Mostly you see or tigers are yellow because very less white tigers are remain in the world. So mostly tigers are yellow in color. So we use a lemon yellow color here for this tiger skin. You can use chrome yellow color also here, or slightly orangish, because it's a cartoon figure or animated figure. That's why you can slightly change your colors also here to look or drawing prominent and nice. For the beard, the tiger has a white beard, but we are not using here white color. We are using off-white color here for the beard, and for the nose, mouth and the face part we fill up pink color. Ears also pink color, light pink color. For the off-white color, you can use ochre plus white or slightly blue plus white. Here I am using yellow ochre plus white color for the off-white color. Now this is our tiger figure with the coloring. Now we start with the sentence "Save the tiger" with the red color. Red is an eye-catching color, so that on any surface, if you use red color, your concentration should be on this red part. So in poster, the heading is the most important part. So if you use a red color here, it's very good for your poster. Now I am showing some highlights on a sentence with the pink color, so it's look nice and good. You can use white color also for the more highlight here. After putting some highlight, we put some dimension on this sentence to look 3D. For that we show some shadow here with the black color from one side. Now I am showing on the right hand side part. All right hand side part we mark with a black color so that it's look 3D. Now this is our full poster with the sentence "Save the tiger." You can add some slogan also here related to drawing to complete this drawing. Now thank you, best of luck.